how to send money from EBT Card to Cash App. So all we need to do is log into Cash App and click on our profile icon in the top right. Then right here, we'll scroll down until we see the section for linked banks and just click on it. And we will choose the option to link a debit card. Now, the EBT card acts as a debit card. However, if it's not getting accepted here, try filling out the numbers. So the debit card number, the expiration date, the CVV, as well as your zip code. But if it's not accepted, then what we have to do is we have to click on no card. And instead it's going to load up a list of all of the banking institutions from which we can choose. Click on continue. And here we will use the search bar to search for EBT. And you should see provider's card. So if you have a provider's card account, you can just click on here and it's going to ask us to log in with our email, and then you can transfer your funds from your EBT account or bank or card to Cash App. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.